Anyone?
Hujan, Doktor.
Hujan lebat Sebab saya sampai office, banjir sampai ke dalam office. Now, tengah figure out macam mana. Okay, sekejap ya. Saya upload notes sekejap because the plan is saya upload dulu. Then editing. Okay. Saya dah upload notes for today's lecture. Okay, the plan is you are going to use this 1 hour. Okay, tinggal 45 minutes lagi. Okay, for the past few weeks, for the past 6 weeks, I'm the one who gives a lecture, I'm the one who talk, I'm the one who carry out the activity for this topic. All right, for this 6 weeks. Okay, so for this final topic, regulation of gene expression, so I'm going to pass this topic for you to study. Okay, take this 1 hour and during weekends for you to study, try to understand, try to summarize. Then next Monday, we're going to have I plan to have physical face-to-face lecture. Okay, face-to-face lecture, so that we can do a discussion, which you are the one that going to deliver. Yep, that's me. Tengah baru nak buat lecture, ngadap banjir. Okay, so you are the one who's going to share, to explain, to share important points, to share your understanding, to share to deliver anything that you understand. So it's going to be your turn to conduct this activity. Okay? All right. Ada soalan?
I have a question.
Okay.
Okay, about this topic, we means that we have to divide all words into groups. So each group will take like a subtopic to explain to.
All right. Okay. Okay. I would like to if you want to work in group, I don't have any problem. But all groups need to discuss the same about the whole topic. Okay, because I will randomly ask any groups or any one of you to share, to deliver about certain subtopic. Okay, so that all of you need to understand. So I hope during the activity next Monday, maybe maybe some of you can share very important points that do not included in the slides. Maybe you have additional information that you would like to share with your friends, so that maybe the way you deliver is much more easier to understand compared to the way you discuss in your own groups. So that's my point, that's my objective for that activity. Okay, I don't want for you to focus on certain topics by dividing into different groups. Okay, but if you want to work in group, it's okay, but all of you need to understand the whole the whole story about regulation of gene expression. Okay, what does it mean by, what is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic transcription in terms of the regulation? So for prokaryotic, so how is the regulation in terms of the operon regulation? So all of you need to understand that. Okay, randomly, I will choose any one of you to deliver or to share about certain topic. Okay. Any other questions?
Do we need to prepare?
Siapa tu? Tak clear.
Nadira. Kena
Okay,
buat
Nadira.
slide ke?
Tak perlu buat slide. Okay, bagi saya tak perlu buat slide. We are going to use whiteboard later. I love to use whiteboard for teaching activity kalau kita buat physical kan. Okay, because some of the topic you can understand by drawing the diagram. Okay, by explaining through maybe you want to draw the process of for the regulation, or maybe you want to draw a table in order to compare between prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Okay, maybe you have better way to explain about prokaryotic transcription itself. Maybe you have maybe you want to draw a mind map. Okay, so I would like to see your creativity in understanding. I want to see your understanding in terms of the topic. So you are going to do your self-study. Then maybe I would like to suggest you discuss in a group, okay, so that you will have better understanding. To show you understand is you're able to deliver whatever information that you understand. Okay? Alright? So saya bagi peluang untuk awak semua untuk handle this activity for this final topic. Okay, so it shows whether you understand, you're able to deliver, because I'm sure all of you are very special, all of you must have your own creativity, your own way to understand about the topic. And maybe we can learn from your friends too. Okay, this is how your friends see. Okay, this is how your friends understand about this topic. Maybe you can use their perspective in order to understand certain topic. Maybe we can learn from how your friends summarize about that specific pathway. So that's my intention of having this activity. So we learn from each other. Okay, maybe I'm also learning from all of you. So we learn together. So let's do this activity. We meet next Monday. So we are going to use that 2 hours to summarize, okay, to deliver, to share about what is the important that you need to understand, that you need to know about this final topic. Okay, because now we have discussed about replication, transcription. Okay, so now it's about the regulation of the process. So we need to know why is it important to have the control process. Okay, why do we need to control that process? Okay, ada soalan?
Dia ada markah apa?
Ah, sorry.
Doktor, saya nak tanya tapi bukan pasal aktiviti Isnin depan lah, untuk presentation hari Rabu tu.
Okay. SEL, alright.
SEL. Untuk ada untuk point for treatment or disease specific research, yang disease specific research tu apa tu doktor? Saya tak faham sangat.
Okay, because the big topic for your presentation, you punya task adalah to discuss any rare disease kan? Betul tak? Protein metabolism disorder.
Rare autosomal recessive.
Okay, so it's not rare disease. It's about protein metabolism disorder. So when we talk about protein metabolism disorder, it tells you when there is a disorder, either lipid or protein or carbohydrates, it will lead to disease normally. Okay, kalau ada mutation ke apa, will lead to changes in some genes. So at the end of the day, it will lead to formation of disease. So kalau bila disease, okay, so you need to discuss on history. So how they discover the disease, so history lah, okay, causes, so mechanisms, then apa you nak tanya? Disease specific research. Okay, when we talk, when you identify what kind of problem, what kind of protein metabolism disorder in specific terms, what disease that you want to discuss. Okay, normally what disease that you want to discuss, or maybe if you decide to talk about this specific disorder, so it will lead to maybe it will let you to discuss about certain disease. So is there any research that have been conducted for that specific disease that related to the protein metabolism disorder? Okay. All right, because there are so many research that have been conducted in so many diseases. Okay, hello, AIDS, cancer, there are so many research. So you just need to choose one or two examples on, maybe let's say if you eat, let's say kalau contoh diabetes, maybe if you want to talk about research specific, research related to the diabetes, maybe on the research that have been conducted on to target certain genes, for example, maybe what is the current research related to that specific disease. Okay, maknanya you can cari journal. Okay, when it asks you to find a disease specific research, maknanya journal lah research. Okay, is there any research that have been conducted on that specific disease? Ada tak? Okay. Alright. Because kalau yang dekat atas tu dia macam general lah. Okay, history, causes, mechanism, signs and symptoms kan. Okay, what is the current treatment? But it's good if you can get all the points from published articles. Okay.
Okay, doktor. Thank you.
Alright. Okay.
Doktor,
Yep.
kalau saya punya part pasal mekanisme tu maksudnya maksudnya apa doktor? Maksudnya dari from the parents inherited ataupun from contohnya saya punya buat pasal Alkanopturia, AKU.
Okay.
So mechanism tu more to inherited diseases, macam mana dia inherit, ataupun more to macam mana dia phenylalanine ke daripada tyrosine.
Yes, the second one.
The second one. Okay.
Yeah. So that's the mechanism. How can the disease occurs? Okay, so we can understand the what happened, okay, in the body by having this mechanism so that you can target. So kalau macam contoh itu kan, so now they are developing drugs, okay, to target certain metabolites. So that's why it is very important to know the mechanism, to know the pathway of the disease. Okay, so that they can inhibit, okay, certain enzymes, they can inhibit the specific metabolite, so they can design new drug that can that block, okay, certain steps. So we need to know the mechanism. Okay, so that's the advantage of you being a biochemist, because you can understand about what happened to the disease by understanding the mechanism. Okay, all right. Okay, ada soalan lain? Aduh, dekat office ni gelap jadinya. Total is the time 12 minutes fixed. Yep. Kita ada total berapa? 120 times 12 times 10 groups, 120. So that would be 2 hours. So pun dah 2 hours, okay? Dah 2 hours plus minus. Okay, plus minus. Biasanya Q&A yang akan lengthy sikit lah. Okay. Alright. Itu pun I'm sure there will be groups yang akan exceed the time limit. Okay.
Doctor,
Yep.
I want to ask about the causes. Like, what do you mean by find out the causes? Like, it's like related to the mechanisms?
Causes. Okay. It may related to the mechanism, but you may discuss about other factors as well. Okay. For example, environmental factors, for example, genetic factors may contribute to the disease. Okay, then by having all that factors, you can discuss about the mechanism. Okay, maybe environmental factors, maybe from diet, maybe genetic, maybe I don't know. Okay, you can discuss whatever causes, whatever factors that cause the disease, but it will lead to the disease can be discussed through the mechanisms. Okay. Okay. Any other questions? Alright. Ada soalan?
Tak ada, doktor.
Tak ada. Okay. So I will see you next Monday. Okay. If you have any questions, can just text me. But kalau saya terlepas pandang tu, just remind me lah. Okay. Get attendance kejap. Okay. Okay. I hope you all of you clear with the instruction for today's activity. Okay. For next Monday. Okay. One. Okay, if there's no other questions, so I'll see you next Monday. Okay, saya pun nak kena settlekan segala banjir-banjir di dalam ni. Okay. Soalan tak? No. So for those yang ada amali petang ni, so I'll see you this afternoon. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Doctor.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Doctor.